You prove my fantasies of love could really be. Let's go to a place only lovers go, to a spot that we've never known, to the top of the clouds we'll floating away. Oh, this feels so crazy, and oh, this love is blazing, and